Hi, I wanted to thank everyone for your purchase of the Divine Wig. The Divine Wig is an incredible wig, a different way of wearing a wig. And what we have here is a tutorial to show you how to wear the Divine Wig where it looks its best. Every Divine Wig comes with the Divine Kit. The Divine Kit comes with a teasing comb, a lace wig grip, a hairline brush, a scalp illusion kit, and a brochure which gives you more information on the Divine in terms of the wear and care, how to wash it, and how to wear it where it looks really good. Everything the Divine Kit comes with is very useful, and I'm going to show you each one, how to use it, and how to make it look its best. What you want to do first is to tie back all your hair. When you tie it back, you do it in a low ponytail. The beauty of the Divine Wig is that it molds to your head right over here by the crown, right here. You want to keep this as flat as possible so that it molds to your head. The next thing you would need is a lace wig grip. Each Divine Kit comes with one. If it's a lighter color, usually it has the nude one. If it's a darker color, it has the brown one. You don't really see the color underneath, so it doesn't matter which color you have, but it needs to be worn properly. What you want to do is make sure your part is matched up to the lace that is going down the middle. What I'm going to do is line up the lace a little bit in front of her hairline, because then what I can do is just push back and it actually holds back the baby hairs. Now we're doing a middle part, so I'm actually going to put the lace in the middle like that. Then what I'm going to do is go behind the ears and secure the lace wig grip to the back. It doesn't have to be super tight, just snug. Now the one thing that is really important with the Divine Wig is not to pull on the front. Any of the lace features are very delicate. Lace is amazing. You're never going to get that look where it's growing out of your head without lace. But the one thing with lace is it's super delicate. With the Divine, you can pull on it in terms of the back, the sides, but the lace feature, which is in the front, that's very delicate. So you want to keep your hands away from that area in order to keep its integrity. The lace is a little bit in front of her hairline, which is perfect. The only thing is I'm seeing a little bit of hairs that are stuck underneath the lace. Now that is where your hairline brush comes in. What I'm going to do is tease the hairline to make sure these little baby hairs in the front are facing downwards. And I'm trying to give the hairline a more natural look. Now, what's great about this hairline brush is that this prevents any tension on the lace. It is actually a dual purpose because you can actually tease the hairline like this, just to create the little baby hair effect. And you can also give it height by teasing downwards like that. Now, what it also comes with is a teasing comb. Teasing combs are great. Anytime I put my Divine on, the one tool I always have is my teasing comb. I hold the point right at the very front of the lace. I take the teasing comb and I brush the hair back. This creates a natural lift by your hairline and creates a really, really gorgeous natural look. I do this every time I put on my wig and I love it. Now, another thing you'll notice is a scalp illusion stick. Now, each Divine comes with a scalp illusion kit. We actually apply this wig makeup before you even receive the wig. The only time it needs to be reapplied is after you wash it. I'm going to show you how to apply it because it's really important to apply it correctly in order to get that flawless scalp look. What you're going to do is take your finger along the part. If it's parted on the side, you can do it on the side. You just line your finger up where the part is and turn the wig inside out. The Scalp Illusion Kit comes with 4 colors. I personally don't use the green, but I love to mix the yellow, the nude, and the peach. It gives it a really nice color in terms of a flesh color, your skin tone. You can play around with the color according to your skin tone, but I like to mix these 3 colors. So what I do is I mix a little bit of the peach, the beige, and the yellow, and just dab a little bit to make sure that it's not too caked on. It should be natural, so you don't have to put globs of it on. All you want to do is outline the part where your finger is. If you get too much on, you can always take the other side and blend it. So you're going to do the outline. This gives it a flesh undertone. When you turn it over, you're going to see how it looks a little bit like a flesh tone. But if you notice your own scalp, your scalp is always whiter than your skin tone. So to add some finishing touches, you actually would want to put this on a head now. You would put it on a head, and you have to be really careful when you're doing it from the top side because you don't want to get any of the wig makeup on the hair. What you would do is just dab a tiny bit of the yellow, just a tiny bit. Take your thumb and your forefinger and hold the hair away from the part. This will help prevent getting any of the wig makeup on the parts. Then what you're going to do is dab just a tiny bit of it. It's easier to dab than to brush it. After you've dabbed it on, take the spoolie and apply pressure just downwards. You don't want to push the spoolie to either side because that will rub the makeup actually onto the hair. So what you're going to do is take the spoolie and just dab with some pressure. This blends it in and gives it that flawless look. The last step that's really important is to take your teasing comb, hold the point, and brush the hair back. This will mess the hair up a bit where it will look natural and not so perfect. And there you go. Take a look in the mirror, make sure it looks good, because what you see in the mirror is what someone sees when they're looking at you. As you can see, here is a Divine wig with the Scalp Illusion makeup applied to it to give that flawless scalp look. Thank you for listening to our tips and tricks. If there's anything that we can help and assist you with, please let us know. You can email cs@mcwigs.com, DM us at Milano Wigs, or send us a message or give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. And if you have any questions, please get in touch with us. Thank you.